Microgreens are seeds that have germinated and grown their first leaves. They're harvested when they're very young and full of nutrition and packed full of flavour. There are many varieties to choose from and they're quick and easy to grow. And you don't even need a garden. Microgreens can be expensive to buy, so growing your own makes a lot of sense. And there's nothing like eating them straight out of the seed tray. Hacksnicks Microgreens growing mats are made from coir and natural latex and fit neatly into the Hacksnicks bamboo seed tray, which means you can have a 100% compostable setup. The growing mats are versatile and can be cut to fit other seed trays. Simply place the mat in the seed tray and soak it with water. There are many different microgreens to try, from herbs such as basil and fenugreek to vegetables such as beetroot, red cabbage and pea shoots. Each has its own unique flavour. Whatever seeds you choose to grow, sprinkle them evenly over the mat and place your container on a warm windowsill or in a greenhouse to germinate. As the seeds begin to grow, water gently or spray with a fine mist to keep them hydrated. Cut the seedlings off just above the roots with garden snippets or scissors. A quick wash and you can eat them as a snack or add them to salads and sandwiches for a punch of flavour. As an alternative to snipping them, you can pull them out of the mat with the roots attached, and after a quick wash, they can be eaten whole. Seasoned microgreens growers will find this much easier than cleaning off roots grown in compost, and the roots themselves contain a lot of the beneficial nutrients. They're perfect for children interested in gardening and ideal for fussy eaters who may just love to eat greens they've grown themselves. The mats are easy to cut, and you can recycle old plastic tubs to give kids their own little garden where they could sow seeds and care for and harvest their tiny plants. And the quick germination means that they won't have to wait long to see a result. The growing experience is fun, and so is eating what you've grown. They are also perfect for less able gardeners, as you don't need heavy bags of compost with these easy-to-use coir mats. Microgreens can be grown quickly and easily with just a few simple supplies, so they're the perfect introduction to gardening. Or they're the chance to grow something new if you're already bitten by the gardening bug. Another great product from Hacksnicks. For regular updates and to see more helpful videos like this one, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.